Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking your niche and preparing to film now. Identify one clear audience and 3 video topics that solve their problems. That drives discovery. Once chosen, use your phone or a basic camera, add a USB mic and simple lighting. These deliver clean audio and visible faces. Then write short outlines. Hook, value, CTA. Record one polished 2 6-minute video today to learn editing and publishing flow. That first upload starts momentum and gives immediate feedback. Once you have footage, batch produce so momentum replaces friction. Script several videos, film back-to-back, then edit in a single session. While editing, prioritize clear pacing and an early hook so viewers stick around. Retention fuels recommendations. Next, optimize metadata. Use a keyword title, 3 focus tags, and a description with timestamps and value promises. Make thumbnails that pop. Large, readable text, one focal face, high contrast. Consistency in style trains both viewers and the algorithm. You finish by publishing strategically. Schedule 1-3 uploads per week at a consistent day and time to build habit. Once live, promote short clips and community posts and share on 2 social platforms to spark early views. Monitor the first 48-72 hours closely. Check CTR, average view duration, and 30-day retention. If CTR or retention is low, change the thumbnail or title and test again. Key troubleshooting tip. If growth stalls, drop one video type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.